Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily use or easily log in multiple accounts on TikTok. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. I'm on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps if you're on an Android. So first of all, open up the TikTok app, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on profile on the bottom right, and then tap on three lines on the top right corner to head over to the menu, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now once you're on this page, all you'll have to do is to scroll down to the bottom, and right here in the login section you'll find an option of switch account. Tap on switch account and then tap on add account. Now you'll have to log in to your second account, and when you log in you will be able to switch between these two accounts that you have just logged in, and you'll be able to use both accounts at the same time. You can easily switch any account at any time. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.